I'm Dr. Makayla Saramosing, and this is Chris Watts' case, Unraveling the Tragedy. Join me in a detailed exploration of a case that shocked the nation. Remember, for top-notch private investigation services in Oklahoma,
call Keefe at 405-593-3515.
Welcome viewers to a deep dive into the heartbreaking Chris Watts case that unfolded in Frederick, Colorado in 2018, a case that left the nation in disbelief. Chris Watts, a seemingly ordinary man, gained national attention when he reported his pregnant wife, Shanann, and their two daughters, Bella and Celeste, missing. The initial concern turned into horror as Watts later confessed to their murders. What drove a husband and father to commit such unspeakable acts? We delve into the family dynamics, the pressures, and the unraveling of a seemingly perfect life. Watts' confession sent shockwaves through the community. The subsequent trial laid bare the tragic details of that fateful night. The public grappled with the incomprehensible nature of the crimes. The Chris Watts case sparked discussions about family violence, mental health, and the limits of our understanding. It also raised questions about the justice system's response to such heinous acts. At Keefe Private Investigations, we recognize the complexities of family dynamics and the need for answers in tragic cases. Our services cover private investigation and process server needs across Oklahoma. Call Keefe at 405-435-8355 for top-notch investigative services. As we conclude our exploration into the Chris Watts case, we're reminded of the fragility of human relationships and the importance of seeking justice. If you found this journey intriguing, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at true crime stories. I'm Dr. Makayla Saramosing, and at Keefe, we navigate the shadows. Stay curious and stay informed. At Keefe Private Investigations, we see the intricate web of human motives and the inescapable grip of justice. For more insights or our services,
Like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating crime stories. Visit us at www.oklahomajudicialprocessservers.com or reach out at info@ojpslegal.com. Until next time, keep your wits about you and stay curious.